Alright, this is going to be an easy fix to an easy problem that's very common. And if you have a kitchen in your, or cabinets in your house for any length of time, eventually the little bumpers wear out and they're not nearly as quiet as they used to be. So you can pick these up anywhere. If I find them on Amazon, I'll put a link to them in the description so you can pick them up. But they're very cheap, easy, but they're going to stop this thumping noise. So the first thing you want to do is get the old ones off, clean the area, and prepare it for the new one. So we'll do that first. You want to get, you can see these ones are compressed. These are old. These are 20 years old. Let me get this cleaned up here. Scraped up, that old residue off. Up top here, even though that one looks like it's pretty good, which tells me it's not even hitting. Before you go and stick the new ones on, you want to make sure wherever you put them, they're actually hitting the surface here as well. You can tell that top one's going to be right in the corner. And this one here has got a little bit more room. Make sure you press them on really good. Again, make sure that area is nice and clean. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. Still loud. You know why? This thing is rattling in here. That's another repair. Alright, so last times when you're talking about rattle on your door, you may replace these bumpers, but that may not be the only problem. If you listen, as I tap, this middle panel is supposed to be a freestanding panel, so it can expand and contract with moisture and humidity and all that type of stuff. But because of that, if it's not at least a snug fit and it's dry, it's going to rattle. And I'm just going to show you a way you can fix that. And you could get a sliver of wood, cut it so it would go in there, and then you could put some glue in it. Or you could do this for a quick, easy fix. So then you can go back and dribble a little bit of glue in there, which you really shouldn't, because this panel needs to be able to expand and contract. So if you don't care about the paper being in behind here, you could do that, or you could cut it off so you don't see it. But I would probably drip a little bit of glue in there, personally, just so it doesn't keep doing it. All right.
That one's good.
It's not bad. So this is my recommendation. First of all, get the bumpers, because that'll fix that problem. Find out where the rattles are, and you can either do this, so this is still a free floating panel, which it should be, so it can expand and contract. You can cut these off, you don't see it, or get a little bit of wood glue and you put it in a couple spots here and there. Let it dry, and then that should solve your problem as well. But it's really up to you, because this obviously doesn't look good leaving this in behind, but it does make it much quieter. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos, and take a look in the description for at least the link for those bumpers. Have a great day.